Kabalo ano, nanadyo ko sa point sa akong life nga wala na ko'y pakialam unsay kasulti sa tao sa kuha, or like what other people will say about you, what are their impressions about you. It doesn't matter to me anymore. Kay kung magkaedad juday ta, there are really things that are valuable to you and there are not, that you thought na kanang mga bagay sa una valuable kay na sa mo, importante na sa mo, but then when you grow older, it's a total shift of mind, especially kung niagi kay kag daghan ganing nga mga trials, and yet you just did it alone. It's not really alone, because spiritually, when you are a believer of God, God is really with you. You cannot go on in this lifetime without God in your life. But literally, kumbaga, you're just doing your own things alone. And it's good. May-empower ka. Ako, murag, dugay na kay nga panahon nga murag nag-isa naman na ko sa kong laban. Murag, I don't have friends anymore. I don't have that close friends anymore. Murag, fighting alone. But not really alone. Because I know there is someone out there above all who's guiding me. I know God exists and He's keeping me. He's always with me. No matter what happens, trust me. I know what I'm saying.